What really caused BigBear.ai's CFO to step down so suddenly? Why did the company immediately appoint an interim CFO instead of preparing a smooth transition? And what could this leadership change mean for BBAI stock in the days to come? In today's video, we're diving into the unexpected CFO resignation at BigBear.ai, what it means, what could happen next, and whether investors should be concerned or excited. You are watching the channel ETS, your source for in-depth analysis of global tech trends. No matter where you live in the world, if you are serious about understanding global tech, stocks, and AI trends, just hit subscribe and let's dive in together. On June 6, 2025, BigBear.ai, listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker BBAI, officially announced that Julie Peffer is stepping down as Chief Financial Officer just 3 years after taking the role. The company wasted no time. Sean Ricker, previously the Chief Accounting Officer, was appointed Interim CFO, effective immediately. This kind of sudden transition always raises questions. Was this a routine career change or a sign of internal turbulence? According to CEO Kevin McAleenan, Sean Ricker has been deeply involved with BigBear.ai since it went public. He served as corporate controller, then chief accounting officer, and now temporarily holds the CFO reins. On paper, he seems well qualified. He knows the company's inner workings, financial structure, and leadership team. But let's be clear, an interim CFO means uncertainty, and the markets usually don't like that. The official story is that Julie is pursuing other opportunities. During her tenure, she led capital fundraising, handled debt restructuring, and stabilized operations. That sounds like a job well done. So why leave now? Just as the AI sector is heating up and BigBear.ai is gaining recognition for its decision intelligence tech. Was this her choice? Or was pressure building behind the scenes? So, BigBear.ai is positioned in critical markets: national security, defense, and enterprise AI. Now, a CFO exit at this stage could really signal several things. Maybe an upcoming strategic pivot, a possible merger or acquisition, or even financial strain that isn't visible yet. Investors should definitely keep an eye on upcoming earnings, those SEC filings, and insider trading activity. If uncertainty lingers too long, it could affect shareholder confidence. So, what about the stock? BigBear.ai, ticker symbol BBAI, has shown a lot of volatility in the past, especially, during those AI hype cycles. Leadership transitions like this often create some short-term downward pressure on the stock, especially if there's no permanent CFO in sight. But here's the twist. This change could also be a setup for growth. If the company is preparing for expansion, a new product launch, or maybe even a major government contract, bringing in a fresh CFO may actually be part of the plan. What if BigBear.ai is positioning itself for an acquisition by a larger defense contractor? What if Julie Peffer's departure was tied to disagreements over future strategy? And what if Sean Ricker, despite being interim, is being groomed to lead a financial transformation inside the company? These are not wild theories. They're actually pretty realistic scenarios that investors must consider. In the world of artificial intelligence and high-stakes tech, leadership signals everything. BigBear.ai's future depends not just on its technology, but really on the stability of its leadership. So here's the big question. Will this CFO transition shake investor confidence? Or will it turn out to be the move that leads BigBear.ai to its next big breakthrough? What do you think? Is BigBear.ai hiding something? Or is this just a smart executive reshuffle? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And for more AI stock insights and deep dive market analysis, don't forget to subscribe to Infotech Stocks.